I'm Madhukar Kamble, retired as a Deputy Municipal Commissioner from Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. Earlier to this post, I was heading Hydraulic Engineer of the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai in the year 2008-2009. So this post has to be responsible for supply, water supply to the entire Greater Mumbai from collecting the water from the various reservoirs outside the city, about 110 to 150 kilometers. The reservoir includes Upper Vaitarna, Middle Vaitarna, Vaitarna, Tansa, Bhatsa, and in city area Tulsi and Vihar. By all these sources, we are able to supply 3,850 million liters of the water to the city. For this purpose, we are filtering the entire supply when supplying to the citizens. And for this purpose, there are two number of these treatment plants. One is at Bhandup complex and another is at Yevai along Nashik road near Shahpur district. In this area, in treatment area, it includes settling tank, filter plant, chlorine contact tank, pumping stations and master balancing reservoir. So similar arrangements are at both the pumping station, both the treatment plants. By these sources, we are supplying 3,850 million liters of the water to the city through 27 number of service reservoirs. With the help of these reservoirs and about 6,000 kilometer water main, we are receiving water supply to the consumer's tap. So this is, I would say, a very, very precious commodity which we are receiving at consumer's tap. About 4.5 lakhs of the connections are there in the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. For this treatment purpose, we are paying a huge amount of electricity bills, about 1,000 crores plus we are paying in the year for treatment of this water supply for pumping purpose. Friends, tankers point of view, if we think that we are supplying 3,85,000 of the tankers, number of tankers, and if these tankers row along the road, it will cover the distance from Mumbai to Delhi. So such a precise commodity, while supplying, we have to operate 1,000 plus valves in the city area in our 24 wards, and our workers and our engineers are working around the clock in 8-hour shift for three shifts in the day. So can think of this hard work being put by our engineers for supplying this commodity. We also know while purchasing Bisleri of 10 liters, 1 liter, we have to pay about 20 rupees. While supplying this filtered water, we have to pay less than 10 rupees for 1,000 liters of this water. Such a precise commodity we are supplying at a very, very cheap rate. Thus it must be respected very, very highly. This is what is my appeal to the citizens. By this way, I would request the citizens to conserve the water very precisely. In that way, I want to make the following appeals. While brushing and while shaving, one should use a jug, collect the water in jug and use it for brushing and use it for shaving purpose instead of allowing the water tap to flow in a wash basin. Similarly, while bathing, I would request that put the water or collect the water in the bucket and avoid the using of the shower. Similarly, after urination, we have to use a flushing knob very gently, very lightly, so that it can allow to drain the water of 2 to 3 liters instead of draining a 10 liters of flushing tank. Even if we think for 8 to 10 uses of urination, and if we drain about 100 liters of water, by this way it can save about 80 to 85 liters of the water. So this way we can save the water. While washing the utensils, I would request the citizens to take the water in a tub, small tub, or in a bucket, and put the cleaning powder or any liquid, whatever you use it, and after putting that liquid or this cleaning powder, wash the utensils by using the water from the bucket or tub instead of allowing the tap continuous flow in the sink. Another thing we can do, that while washing the clothes, we can use the minimum detergent, so that for spinning, rinsing and drying purpose it may require the less water. I would also suggest that if we use the washing machine and put the knobs on its optimum utilizations, so these knobs will help us to save maximum water. While washing the grains like this rice, or washing the vegetables, or washing the fruits, I would suggest to collect such a water in a tub or in a utensil, so that this water can be reused for this planting purpose at your terrace or balcony. I would also request to use the half bucket of water while wet mopping in our flooring area. I would say that half bucket of the water may be sufficient for mopping, dry mopping, wet mopping of the 500 to 550 square feet of the flats. This way we can conserve the water and respect this highly respected commodity. I would further say that entire planet, this Earth as a planet, there is about 3% of the potable water available, and this water we have to use it very, very precise manner. This water is being used by entire life on this planet, might be for irrigation purpose, industrial purpose, drinking and all other purposes. And this water we have to use very, very respectfully. I would request the citizens that this commodity given by the nature, we have to respect the nature and pay our tribute or pay our respect to this commodity. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.